ready to start the race. Logan, where are we today? Logan, where are we? Where are we? Are we at Coney Island? No. Yes, we are. For the Autism Speaks race.
Put your head on sideways.
I can't reach you. I can't tell how many people. That's insane. Look, it still comes all the way. There are still people at the starting line. I can't see it. I don't know if I can see it in the monitor. That's crazy. And there's like a whole lot of people ahead of us. So this is the biggest run. That's crazy. There are people still starting. That's insane. Logan, we're almost done. We're almost there. Ah! Logan, are you gonna dance? Hi, Sissy! Yeah, baby girl! Her hands are big enough for a fidget spinner. She's so excited. Go ahead, you can do it. I'm not gonna let you fall. You can do it. Go ahead. Want me to get behind you? I'm right here. I'm not gonna let you fall. Put your foot where you think it might need to go. Yeah! You did it! Good girl! Yeah! She's got a muddy butt too. Good girl! Good girl by yourself! Oh, y'all make me dizzy. I don't know how they do it. Hi guys! Where are you? Where are we? Yeah, we're not at Kings Island, we're at Coney Island, very close. There are so many people walking, but we are riding rides now. Hi, Sissy! Hey guys, I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I just recorded some video and I wanted to put this out there. We went to the Autism Speaks walk this year. It was awesome. Ours here in Cincinnati was at Coney Island, so we got to ride rides. We love it. If you don't know, our oldest son, he is gifted and he has a mild form of autism, which you may know as Asperger's. But anyway, we went to support, you know, autism and stuff. It was a lot of fun. It was great to see other parents that have kids with autism. But anyway, yeah, this is what it was like. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to donate to Autism Speaks, the link is below. That is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Ah, my daughter's trying to say hi. Say hi.